Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take you home science class, and students, today's topic is chapter 3 CQ-1. So let's start our class. Students, just you have to consider one thing, that we are giving you the answer. That doesn't mean that you have write only these answers. You can add more things in your answers. Okay, well, when you are making the answer, you have to add more things. I'm just giving you some ideas that how you have to write this. Okay, but you should not copy the same thing. You can add some more things to this if you want to get more marks. Okay, so let's start our class. This is creative question answers, and this is the question of chapter 3. So at first we will read this thing. Number 1, Saleha and Halima Khatun live in the apartments of same space. Saleha Begum has used sky colored curtains. On the other hand, Halima Khatun has used curtains which are printed with red flowers. She has kept a large tub made of clay beside the door. One day, Maria from a neighboring apartment went to Saleha's house. From there, she went to Halima's house and said that it could be better if you have a little bigger drawing room. This is the stem. And from this stem, we have 4 questions. Question number A, what is the source of light? Question number B, what is an interior decoration? Number C, on which factor has Saleha given emphasis in decorating her room? Explain. And the last question is, analyze the efficiency of Halima in decorating her home. So now we will read the answer of these questions. So at first, the first question, what is the source of light? The answer is the sun is the source of light. Now number B, what is an interior decoration? The answer, the decoration inside a house or flat is called interior decoration. It includes floor, walls, ceiling, doors, curtains, wall fittings, carpeting, mats, the lightings, kitchen fittings, washroom fittings and furniture. Interior decoration is not the jumbling of furniture but an artistic arrangement. Now the next question, number C, is on which factor has Saleha given emphasis in decorating her room? Explain. So the answer, Saleha Begum has given emphasis on the selection of curtain in decorating her room. Maria visits the drawing rooms of both Saleha Begum and Halima Khatun. Both the rooms are of same size. Yet Saleha's room appears to be bigger to Maria. This is plainly because of sky color curtains in Saleha's room. If she used curtains with check or print, the room could look smaller. This has happened in the case of Halima's room. Now the last question is, analyze the efficiency of Halima in decorating her home. Answer, the passage does not reflect Halima's efficiency in decorating her home. That she has used curtains printed with red flowers does not bear the testimony to an artistic arrangement. I think it's actually not correct. Printed with red flowers does not bear the taste. You can write here taste. Doesn't bear the taste to an artistic arrangement. Printed curtains have made her room apparently smaller. Color beaming curtains are not for small apartments. Saleha Begum has done the right thing. Halima has kept a large platter beside the door that has even worsened the door view as well as the space of entrance. So students, I am repeating that if you want to get more marks, you have to add more things to these answers. Okay, so this is the specimen that how you can write these answers. And students, your HW number 3 is chapter 3, CQ number 1, A and B. That means this A and B, these two are your homework, are your HW, and you must write your HW number. This is HW number 3. And students, girls, try to submit the HW. That means every student has to submit the HW properly. Okay, try to do that. That's all for today, students. See you. Allah Hafiz.